Hello, I am Banana, and I bring potassium to support smooth muscle movement and steady energy. Best enjoyed before or after a workout.
Hello, I am Pomegranate, and I release antioxidants that help support healthy blood flow so that energy can travel smoothly where it's needed. Hello, I am Avocado, and I provide healthy fats that help support nutrient absorption and steady fuel for longer-lasting strength. Hello, I am Apple, and I provide soluble fiber that supports steady digestion and helps keep your body's fuel flow balanced. Hello, I am Almonds, and I provide magnesium and healthy fats that support muscle relaxation and steady movement. Hello, I am Sweet Potato, and I provide steady carbohydrates that help refill energy stores after activity.